David Chytraeus de Ratione Discendi, Episode 20. Seu, ut recte de Deo, de moribus, de natura rerum, Chytraeusque rebus sentira ac judicare, quaeque in bonis, quae in malis ducendissent, intelligere, et ea quae sentimus perspicue et commode explicara et eloqui possumus. Now Chytraeus gives the second reason for studying, the second purpose or finis or goal. He says, or in order that correctly, properly, concerning God, concerning morality and ethics, concerning natura rerum, concerning the nature of the universe. This, of course, de natura rerum is a variation on the poem by Lucretius, De Rerum Natura, and it means simply all that exists, concerning the universe, and que, de, concerning the other matters, Chytraeus rebus. De is a preposition which takes always and only the ablative. Thus we have deo in the ablative, moribus, natura, and of course rebus, with rebus being modified by Chytraeus. So to continue, that properly concerning God, morality, the nature of the universe, and other such things, we may be able, possumus, here's the verb right at the very end of the sentence, which takes each one of these infinitives, sentira, judicare, intelligere, that we may be able to perceive and to judge correctly concerning all these things, and to understand, intelligere, quae through ducendissent then, to understand what things, here's que, what things ought to be classed or considered ducendissent among the good, and what things ought to be classed or considered among those things that are bad. So ducendissent is a third plural present subjunctive active. It's from the third conjugation verb ducere, and ducenda is a gerundive, that is, a verbal adjective. The construction of the gerundive plus a form of esse, sint here, is called a passive periphrastic. And, he says, ut, still controlling, that we may be able to explain, explicare, and to discuss or to speak about ea, those things which we perceive, ea quae sentimus, those things which we perceive. So the object of explicare and eloqui is ea, which is here in the neuter plural accusative, and that we may be able to explain and to discuss those things, ea. Ea, in turn, is modified by a relative clause, which is quae through sentimus, those things which we, in fact, perceive. So the antecedent of quae is ea, and sentimus is a first plural present indicative active from the fourth conjugation verb sentire, like so. And finally, that we may be able to do so, that is, to explicare and to eloqui, in two ways. Here are two adverbs, perspicue and commode, that is, with clarity, perspicue, this adverb, and conveniently or suitably, in a way that pleases others and makes sense.